Hi there. So, in our last class, we have talked about speed and velocity. I hope you remember. Now, what we're going to do today is we'll try to understand acceleration. You must have sat in a vehicle, or you may have driven a vehicle. Fine. It can be a bike, a scooty, a car, or anything. Fine. You may have noticed that whenever you hit the acceleration pedal or the gas pedal, as many of you know of, the speed of the vehicle tends to go up. Similarly, you may have noticed that the moment you hit the brakes, the speed tends to go down. This change in speed, fine, or rather in the terms of physics, this change in velocity per unit change in time is what we call as acceleration. So, acceleration denoted by A is the change in velocity per unit change in time. The knowledge of acceleration has far-reaching consequences because, as we will see later, acceleration also has a direct relationship with what we call as force. Fine, but for the time being, we will look at acceleration from the point of view of delta V upon delta T, where the words delta means change. You can also call it final minus initial values. So, acceleration can be written as final velocity minus initial velocity upon final time minus initial time. This change in velocity per unit time is what we call as acceleration. In our next video, we will see how acceleration, initial velocity, final velocity, and time, they all combine together to give us the three equations of motion. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll be back with the video very soon.